Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my rich flaking fish pie recipe. So sit back, relax and give this recipe a try and let me know the result for you. Do well also to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment and share for me, okay? And hey, don't forget also to click on the notification bell. So if you have not yet done that, please do so. So I kept it in the freezer for 1 hour to chill it. The margarine too, I did the same thing. I chilled it. Everything that I'm using was chilled in the freezer. The margarine each is 250 grams, so making 750 grams. I'm using a flour of 1000 grams. Usually I will use about half of the quantity of the flour for the margarine, but I'm using this time around more than that because we are making rich pie. And I'm also adding my non-dairy milk powder to it, and I'm also going to use milk, full cream milk, yes, and also my grated onion. I did not add nutmeg to this, but you can choose to add it. Okay, so we are adding our margarine to our flour. Everything is chilled, including the bowl, so we'll mix everything together. Yes, the idea is that we don't want it to activate the gluten. We don't want to activate the gluten. We want it flaky, so you have to chill everything. If you don't want it flaky, then you don't have to chill it. Just mix it together and knead it. But this, we want it flaky. Do you get it? Okay. And so mix everything together. And this, you are not going to knead it. Okay, if you knead it, you are going to activate the gluten. So this is it, and I'm adding my grated onion to it and a bit of salt. Yes, salt solution, just a little. Okay, then mix everything. I'm going to turn this into a comfortable bowl so that I can mix everything very well. Yes, please subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, comment and click on the notification bell. So we are going to add our milk. Because the mixture is already moist, we are not adding all the milk. Okay, it's already moist. Without even adding liquid, it is already moist. Yes, so we are not supposed to add all the milk. Okay, and so like this way, I'm going to keep it in my fridge for about 30 minutes or more than that will be okay. And let's get to our filling. So we are going to use fish. This is fish pie, and so I just dropped in some few onions and I'm adding my carrot to it. Stir everything together quickly, and then I'll quickly add my fish to it. I'm using smoked fish. You can use canned fish, tuna flakes, or any fish that you want. Okay, you can even get fresh fish and then steam it a bit and then use it for it, or fry it and use it, just anyhow you want. So I've added water to it to aid the cooking process. Cover and allow it to cook, so we are checking on it. Okay, so stirring everything, and I'm adding my bell peppers, spring onions, and the rest of the onions. I'll leave the lists in the description box for you to check out. Okay, and my fish powder also, added everything to it. I'm going to give it some seasoning also, my seasoning, and I'll add salt to it, just a little. Yes, just adjust the quantity to your preference. Okay, so let's cover and allow it to cook, and then go and work on our cornstarch. You can make use of flour. Yes, flour will do. Yes, so you can make use of flour or food thickener. Yes, but I'm making use of cornstarch. Mix it well, and then we are going to add it to our ingredients on fire. Yes, to help to thicken it up and also give it some moist feel or taste. Yes, So after adding, we'll stir everything together, and then we'll cover and allow it to cook and thicken up. Okay, so let's check now. And it's ready. Yes. Yes. It's ready. So this is it. You just have to pour and allow it to cool. So we are going to work on our dough from the fridge. Yes, so you see it now is hard. Yes, so we are going to get our chopping board, our rolling pin, and what we'll use to cut the shapes. So this is what I'm going to use: some flour to sprinkle on the chopping board. Yes, so you have to, this one I will still sprinkle a bit more, because if the flour is not enough and you roll it, it will get stuck on the chopping board. Yes, so I'm going to take this. So I've applied more flour on the chopping board, and this, you don't roll it too much because you don't want to activate the gluten. And so make sure that when you roll it up, you roll it down, take it, roll it up, take it, and then roll it down. So don't just roll up continuously. No, roll it up, roll it down, because we don't want to activate the gluten. Okay, so I'm going to apply more flour. Okay, and we are going to roll it. Roll it into the wideness and the thickness that you want. Yes, and with this, each pie is going to take 2 of the round shape, and so I didn't roll it too thick. Yes, because each pie is going to take 2 of this. Okay, sure. So this is it, very rich. Place it on a tray with flour. Okay, and we are going to do another one. Please like this video for me, share for me, subscribe, and leave a comment for me as well. Yes, very necessary. When you click on the notification bell, you always get notifications when I upload a new video. So it's very necessary to click on the notification bell. Okay. Okay, so we are going to cut it. Okay, so this is it. And so we are done, and I'm going to get 12 pieces of pie out of these. Yes, so we are going to add our filling to it. And so I'll just take my filling, add some to it, and this is fish pie, so I'll load it with filling. I don't want any air pie. Then I'll take one and then place it on it this way. Okay, and I'm going to, this, if you are not careful, you break it because it's flaky, very rich. And so if you don't handle it well, you break it. So you can use fork to create the lines around it. Yes, all around it this way. So this is it. Okay, place it. I've greased my tray with margarine and also sprinkle some flour. So we are going to make another one. Load it with enough filling, then place one on top, and then make sure you press it gently. And this time around, I'm not going to use fork. I'm going to use my fingers to create. Yes, and so you can do it this way, or you can decide to use the fork for it, however you want it. So this is it, and then we are going to take it out gently with our spatula so that we don't break it, because this can easily break. So this is it. Okay, so I have a square one. This is not proper square, and this is It's not proper square because it's not equal. And I'm going to fold it on a triangular way. Triangle. I'm going to make it in a triangle form. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to press on it gently. And I'm going to use, yes, my pizza cutter to take the excess from it. Yes. So we lift it gently, turn it the other way, and I'm going to take that part also. Okay. So I'm using fork for this. Create some holes on top so that it can cook very well. So I'm not wasting any of the pie dough. Yes, so I'm just adding everything, the pieces together, and I'm going to add the rest of the filling. I'm going to add all the rest. Yes, so and I'm going to fold it on top. So this, I'll not trim anything. I'll just, yes, leave it like that because I don't want to waste any of the pie dough. Okay, so I'm going to use my fingers for this. Okay, and create some holes on top. Okay, so I'm going to make my egg wash some. 1 egg and milk, a bit of milk, and I'm going to apply it on top, but before then I'll create my holes. Yes. Okay, then apply the egg wash all over. Please like this video for me, leave a comment, share and like. Okay. Click on the notification bell. So we are going to bake this in the oven on a medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, so our pie, rich pie, ready. You love this, you enjoy this, so give it a try. Okay, try this recipe. Okay, so let me show you the other ones too. Okay, when it's hot like this, yes, you see, very, very, very rich and flaky. When it's hot like this and you don't handle them well, you break everything. You see, very flaky. It flakes very well and it's rich. The taste is awesome. Charlie, give this pie a try. This recipe, try it, and enjoy it. Okay, get some chilled malts or some juice and enjoy it. Thanks so much. Share this video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.